Batteries are consumable products. No matter how good your laptop is over time, the battery is just going to degrade, but that doesn't mean that you need to replace the whole laptop, especially if it's still doing everything that you need it to do. The good news, replacing a battery like this is typically pretty easy and you don't have to be a tech expert to do it. Welcome back to the Pixel Pub. My name is Devin. Here we do tech. In this video, we'll be swapping out the battery on my 2022 model of the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14. First thing we're gonna do is open the box here. This is everything that you get specifically with the battery if you buy it from the link down below. We have what they are calling the user manual. It's basically just a bunch of warnings, but doesn't really help us a ton because it doesn't tell us how to install this battery into our specific laptop. And then of course, as simple as it gets, the battery itself, really the only thing to note here is that it has the one small connector on the top here. It's kind of hard to see, but we'll show you that in just a second. So before we start, here's what you're gonna need, whether it's the included screwdrivers or I have my Fantic electric screwdriver set. You may or may not need a plastic prying tool. You'll want somewhere to put your screws, as well as it always helps to have your favorite drink of choice. So let's start by getting this G14 unplugged and completely powered down. Then we've got 11 screws that we're gonna be taking out. 4 on the bottom, 3 in the middle that are covered up with little rubber feet, as well as 4 on the top of the laptop here. And you are gonna wanna keep these separated a little bit. The 4 at the bottom are actually shorter screws, and then the ones in the middle and at the top of the screen are actually going to be a little bit longer. So you do wanna keep those separate. I've had this laptop for just over 2 years, and we've had it plugged in for the majority of its lifespan, so the battery has gotten to be a little bit lackluster. So I picked up this replacement on Amazon for just over $52 at the time. Now, it's not an official ASUS part, but it's been working just fine since we installed it, so I have no problems recommending it at this point. If you do want to grab the same one, I've got an affiliate link down in the description below. Once the screws are out, you're going to gently pry the panel open. Try to avoid using your screwdriver. Any other metal tools are gonna just scratch and damage the laptop even more. Now that we are inside, let's take a look at this laptop. Right here, you can see the NVMe drive. One of the battery screws is actually right behind this, so we do have to take this off first. One screw though, and that is going to come out. And here we now have the 2 screws that we need to remove to be able to take the battery out. After we take those screws out, the battery does come out, but we want to make sure that we don't rip out the cables here that are connecting it. Unplug those cables and the battery will fully come out. Once we have that battery out, we are going to do the same exact thing except in reverse. We're going to put the battery into place, we're gonna plug in the cable and put those 2 screws back in. After the battery is secured, you want to make sure you remember to put your NVMe drive back in its slot. Otherwise, spoiler alert, your laptop is not going to boot. Once that's back in, we have to go through all of those screws again. And this is one of those things that you might want to just put the base on and make sure that this boots back up if you're not 100% sure. I decided to just go for it, put every single screw back in, make sure we have those rubber feet back in place to protect those screws, and then we're gonna try booting it back up here. After plugging the laptop in, it boots right up and we've got a brand new battery in this laptop. Make sure that you don't just throw the old battery away. Take it to your local recycling center, take it to anywhere that will take a used battery and recycle it properly. If you're looking at upgrading your Zephyrus even farther, make sure you check out this video where I show you exactly how to upgrade the RAM. Cheers, we'll see you over there.